Hey guys, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locs. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved my pipe cleaner curls. So I'm just taking a section of my hair and I'm wetting it with my rose water. And I'm going to use these pipe cleaners that I have here. I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my pipe cleaners. So the first thing that I did was I took a pipe cleaner and I made a loop at the top of it, like so. And then I gathered the bottom of the pipe cleaner towards the top of the loop and I began to twist down. So once you twist it down, it's going to basically end up looking like a lollipop. And that's what you want. You want to have a loop at the top. All right, so the next thing I want to do is section my hair. I'm starting from the back. And when you gather your hair, you want to start at the bottom of your pipe cleaner and work your way towards the top near the loop. And you want to be mindful not to gather too much hair on the pipe cleaner because it won't curl right. And once you get to the top of the loop, you're going to insert the bottom of the pipe cleaner through the loop. I hope I'm not being too confusing. I'm trying to show you here on camera, but my fingers are in the way. But again, you want to insert the bottom of the pipe cleaner through the loop and then kind of tie it to secure it, like I have in the video. All right, so as I'm working through the sections of my hair, I want to talk to you guys about something. Can I ask you guys a question? Do you guys believe in marriage? Like, if you're married, obviously you do. But if you are not married, do you plan on getting married? Do you want to get married? And the reason why I'm asking is because last week I posted a photo on my Instagram page. And if you're not following me on my Instagram page, I encourage you to do so. It's Lena's Lovely Locs 1, the number 1. But I posted a picture of my significant other and I, and we're coming up on 19 years together. Not 19 years of marriage, but just 19 years of being together. And he's basically my life partner. But someone commented under that photo asking why we weren't married yet. And it was a family member. Y'all, it be your own family sometimes, for real. But it was a family member trying to dig at me, asking why we weren't married. And I just don't believe in marriage. There, I said it. I don't want to get married. I have no intentions of getting married. I think that we're doing just fine. Now, he does want to get married. It is not solely on him. It's me. It's me. I don't want to get married. I think that marriage is an acquired taste, and I just don't have a taste for it. But I end up replying back to this family member stating that, we're fine, not being married. Actually, our relationship has lasted longer than a lot of real marriages. And I just don't want to, jinx it. I'm a very, very superstitious person, and I think and I believe that whatever isn't broke, doesn't need to be fixed. And our relationship is not broken. We are really happy. We're in a healthy relationship. We have 3 beautiful boys that we love very much. So I guess we're kind of like the modern day Susan Sarandon and Tim Robbins, or Goldie Hawn and Kurt Russell. These couples never were married, but they've been together for years. I'm not knocking anyone that believes in marriage or who wants to get married. I just really don't, think that marriage is for me. And I know that you guys may be thinking, well, why don't you want to get married for your children? Well, it's not for the children, because they're going to get older and move away and live their lives. So I don't want to get married for the children. If I do want to get married, I want to get married for us. But again, I don't see a reason to get married. Now, my cousin did talk to me about some things, and it put a bug in my ear. So I am, really, really contemplating it and thinking about it as far as the business end of marriage. And what I mean by that is, if anything happens to me or to him, what's going to happen to our children? Who's going to take care of our children? I don't want any of our things that we own to end up in probate. And that's what happened when my mother passed away back in 2020. She did have a will, but it didn't hold up in court, So I want to, be able to leave things for my children without anyone trying to fight for it. My mother was divorced. Statistics show that marriages end in divorce. 50% of marriages do end in divorce. I'm not saying that ours will, but again, I just think that we're fine how we are. Now, my cousin was talking to me about the business aspect of marriage regarding, if anything happens to me or Michael, who's going to take care of our children? Where is this money going to go that we save for them? I do not want it to end up in probate. So that is one thing that I think would be beneficial as far as being married. If something happens to me, I would want, whatever money I have or any assets I have to go to my children and Michael. Now, there isn't anyone in my family that I believe that's going to fight for, those things, because I'm leaving it to my children and Michael. Because my mother isn't alive, I lost my sister, and I also lost my dad. So I don't have anyone that's going to, fight Michael on any of my assets. But I just want to make sure that he doesn't have to go through that, or I don't have to go through that if anything happens to him, because his mother is still alive and he still has family members. And I don't think that they would, go against me if anything happened to him, but I just want to be sure. You know what I'm saying? So that's my little rant. You guys can comment down below. What do you guys think? Am I, tripping here? Should I go ahead and get married? Because it's been 19 years. I've been with this man for literally almost half my life. All right, let me put my glasses on, you guys. I cannot see. Y'all know, whenever I film my videos and you see me without my glasses, just know that I am having a hard time seeing. I cannot see at all. This is just me taking pictures for Instagram. All right, so this is the next morning. I kept these in overnight. I didn't leave these in for a couple of days, just overnight. As you can see, a couple of them kind of got untangled. But it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video for you guys. All in all, I used about 50 or 55 pipe cleaners in my head, and it took me a total of maybe 45 minutes to an hour to prepare them and install them in my hair. So not that bad. And it took about 10 minutes to take them all out and fluff my hair and just get ready for the day. The curls lasted almost 2 weeks before they failed, so that's about a good amount of time that these curls were in my hair. And they gave my locks so much volume. I really love that they gave me so much volume. I love big hair. Now when I first took out the pipe cleaners, I didn't like it. They were kind of stiff and just really tight. But as the days went on and on, they kind of loosened up and just got more prettier and prettier. So, what do you guys think? Is it a pass or is it a fail? Comment down below, guys. Also, comment down below about my rant. Do you guys think I'm tripping? You know, should I go ahead and get married? Should I just keep it like it is? What do you guys think? Should I get married, for the business aspect of it? Go ahead and comment down below. I appreciate you guys hanging with me so far. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.